The polygon feature creates an equilateral closed polyline with a preset number of sides. After clicking on the polygon icon, you get a dialog box where you can choose the number of sides and dimensions. Note that you can only set the second dimension when you select a 4 sides polygon. This will let you create rectangles. However, if I leave the second dimension as 0, Dibac will create a square using the dimension 1 value as the width and height dimension. This feature creates polygons based on polylines, so I can select both squares and delete them. Let's open the dialog box again. This time I'm going to create a rectangle and enable the auto-rotation. This way the polygon will change its position with respect to the direction of the segment. I just need to hover the insertion point of the polygon over the line and it will rotate automatically. In the polygon dialog box, I have the option to set the dimensions using the sides of the polygon. This way, the value of the dimension will refer to the length of the side. If I choose the radius option, the dimension of the polygon will refer to the length between the center of the polygon and its corners, just as if the polygon was inscribed in a circle.